Google just changed the way we search forever. It's not just links anymore. It's AI-powered answers, summaries, and insights right at the top of your screen. Hello everyone, this is Nissy from Kukuri, Japan. Today, I show you how to use Google AI search, what it costs, and how it can help you in your daily life, at work, and even for your website be found. Let's get started. How do you actually see this new AI in action? Don't worry, you don't need to install anything special. Open Chrome or your Google app. Just type your question, and instead of scrolling through 10 links, select AI mode. You will get a short AI summary with sources underneath.
That's like having the top website explained to you instantly.
That's true, Naruto. You do not need to scroll many websites looking for the information you need. So now you've seen where it shows up. But the next big question is, who actually gets to use this? And do we have to pay extra for it? Right now, it's free for personal Google accounts. Business users with Google Workspace can also try it, depending on region. No extra fee today, but premium AI features do have subscription plans.
Well, even with the free account, it's already incredibly useful.
I agree with you. Free plan is already great. So you've got access. But what can you actually do with it in everyday life? Let me give you some practical examples you can try right now. Let's ask to Gemini best 3-day itinerary in Kyoto. In seconds, you can get sample plans, of course with links to its original source. How about easy dinner with salmon and spinach? The answer generated might give recipes from multiple sites but already summarized, or explain quantum physics like I'm 10. You can have simplified explanation. You don't need to spend hours scrolling websites to find the information you want anymore. And it's not just for fun or personal life. The real power shows up when you bring AI search into your work. Let's say compare Samsung versus iPhone battery life. You will have so much material for your market research. Or get quick drafts. Create a summary on remote work policies. Of course, you can use it to get quick ideas too. List pros and cons of remote work versus office work. When you are using Gemini or Deep Research, it will not include the source or use to take so much time. But with AI search, you can get information from real websites, faster and precise. Now let's flip the perspective. What if you were someone who runs a website or publishes content? This is where you need to pay close attention. AI overviews often show summaries instead of direct clicks. That means less traffic if your site isn't ranked or cited. To be included, focus on high quality, clear content, structured data. SEO basics still matter. Expertise, trust, and original insights are also important.
So, it's not enough to rank on page 1 anymore. You've got to be the source the AI trusts.
Exactly, the convenience rises and responsibilities too. And before we wrap up, I have to mention this. AI search is powerful, but it's not perfect. Here are some things you should be aware of when using it. Accuracy. AI can sometimes get facts wrong. Always check sources. Privacy. Don't put personal or sensitive info into search. Bias. Results may not always reflect all perspectives. Ads. Google is testing AI plus sponsored results, so keep an eye on that. So Google AI search can save you time, but like all AI, it comes with limits. What do you think? Is this a game changer or just another Google experiment? Drop your thoughts in the comments. If you like this video, please don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next time. Bye bye!